Tonight, Proxibid's hosting the Agile Omaha Open House. We get to discuss Proxibid's Agile transformation.
Agile Omaha is a meetup that happens pretty regularly around here where a lot of people come and talk about their own experiences going through the Agile process and have guest speakers come in and talk about different aspects of Agile.
They've been around for quite a few years, maybe 12 years or so, and they have like 1,800 members. It's one of the biggest ones in town. They're kind of a cool part of a bigger culture of that like grassroots movement to help people with their professional development and learning, so they're a big part of that. And I actually learned a lot from different open houses.
The idea is to give back to the community. We've been all attending the Omaha Agile Meetup. We're probably going to be seeing familiar faces around here and just learning from them, having them ask questions. Maybe they have something that they think is relevant in regards to things that we could change and make it better. We're gonna have 3 different conversations going on, 3 different areas talking about different topics.
I'm co-presenting on how we've incorporated the Proxi Moxies, our 5 core values, into the Agile mindset of Proxibid.
We have discussion on constraints and how we use that in our product development flow. As we prioritize things, we also consider, is this something that goes through our current constraints? And if it is, then we try to prioritize the work that goes to it, try to reduce that constraint.
I'm gonna be leading the Kaizen topic. We're gonna be talking about the book, talking about some examples of how we've done Kaizen here at Proxibid, how it has helped us improve little by little, but consistent improvements essentially lead to good results overall.
I really appreciate all that Omaha Agile has done for us over the years. I've attended a lot of their meetups and there's a lot of great people.
We're just really excited to be hosting everyone to share Proxibid's Agile transformation with the Omaha community.